Just one click, you can turn your Facebook profile into a Facebook page. Yes, you don't have to go to the stress of creating a Facebook page, especially if you don't want to create a page. You want to just start earning from your Facebook profile. So let's go ahead. I'll be showing you how to turn your Facebook page, your Facebook profile, into a Facebook page. Let's go ahead. So my screen, you should be seeing my screen now. It just come up now. So the first thing that you should do is to click on your Facebook app, log into Facebook. Yes, when you get to Facebook, just allow the whole stuff to load, and just one click, you turn on your professional mode and you are good to go. So just enter your name. This your picture showing now by the top left. Click on it and take it to your profile. Yes, this is my profile actually. So you now click on this three dots, showing by the right. Click on it and let's go. Click on it and you see this place. They are saying they are telling you turn off professional mode. My own is already on, so what you have to do is to turn yours on. By the time you turn your professional mode on, boom, you have already turned your profile into a page, and you see that your friends will start counting as followers. Yes, and from then most people get invited into content monetization on Facebook after they turn on their professional mode. So if you want to grow on your Facebook profile and you don't want to create a page, just turn it on now, and you are good to go. Hope this video was helpful. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, because this channel I'm sharing basic tips for not techie people, small business owners, and also content creators. So do well to subscribe to this channel and watch out for more of my videos. Thank you.